go back in. Okay, I'm making a video, Ma. I'm making a video, guys. Ma!
Okay, fine.
And scene, cut. Listen here, you Dumbo.
Once you go on camera, I love my family. I love my boys. And cup. Let me lie more. Cup. You be on some shit. Sorry, kids.
You know I'm still making a video, right?
Oh, damn, he's still making a video. Shit. Everybody knows my secret.
Does anybody want to go? Heck yeah. How do you know? What else?
Moana soundtrack.
What else?
Hi, in relation to
What else was I say? Does anybody want to go running on bikes?
trying to make me feel her.
Siri don't even like her. Siri likes her, bro.
You see,
Bro!
you don't even like it, that sense of.
No. Siri just said, I love it too much. I'm going to cry. I'm not going to be the perfect robot that I am. Because I have a lost heart.
What heart?
What
You
heart?
got no battery.
Are you talking about your battery? You know I'm still making a dang video.
Yeah,
I'm still
Bob.
making a video.
Oh,
No, actually, I'm still making a video.
It's your brother, bro.
you don't even know, like, the man's trying to.
You don't even know what plane pause means. Yo, I swear I'll be at the real life. You don't even know. I look at cars.
You don't even know this is your green and red.
You don't know.
Green around a rosy, cup of huppadozy.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit.
That was not even the proper song.
Oh.
And do you guys know that that song ain't good?
Really?
No. This talking about when the Nazis or something burned down those people. Ashes, we all fall down. Where the hell is ashes from?
Fire.
Exactly.
No. You see, where they want to get cremated?
Well, kids.
You never know. What they feel bad.
They had
but
independence at that age?
Yeah.
What about the? Have to do this.
You
shit.
even
Oh my
know.
God, I'm thinking about prom already. I gotta save up money for your prom. Janelle, tell me my thing wasn't dope.
Okay, let's
Exactly.
go.
Baby. I'm not saying that that's what we're gonna go for, but it was pretty dope.
Wait for me, guys. Wait for me.
I want you to think of something. Don't just go by what your dad says, because that's what you do. You tend to go for whatever he tells you. On an idea that could be good for you.
Yeah, honestly, I don't really want.
What? You didn't.
You don't even know what fire is.
Oh, I do know.
I forgot I'm still making a video. I just forgot.
The car has stopped, guys, in 0.3 miles.
You even know the bomb.
You don't even know guessing.
I have to just hear.
Yes, correct. Next
What
question.
do I get in this?
They have went to
Oh, good answer.
here.
That reminds me, not to remind you.
See that we could work something out. God. Wow.
And then they ended up here.
Even now.
Wait, what? Huh? What the heck?
But it's all the same, right?
Champion! 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 Champion!
Guess what? I gotta quit and guess you're gonna die.
Stop.
This is the
Would I look cool as a truck driver?
Champion! Champion!
Come on, son. Teach you the way to walk.
Oh, God. Oh,
Hell!
Oh,
Heck
no.
no!
no.
Just up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask my baby that's owning it. Joey,
Yeah?
would I be cool as a truck driver? Yes or no? Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
Wait! You're driving a truck.
No, an 18-wheeler like the big, like those bad boys right there.
Then no.
No.
Jada, I'm gonna pick you up one of those trucks. Try me if you
No.
want to.
I would like to go in the back.
Thank you. And guess who's
That'll
gonna
be
be driving? Me.
No.
Not the one here.
Just grab me.
Yeah.
Jada,
Why are you grabbing me there? Just don't. It doesn't matter.
what are you doing?
The first, you know, the little thing that's like, bumps it up. What? Lift it up, and then you like, there's no gun, they take little screws.
If you don't have a gun, what do you use?
Use like a little wrench. Take out the little screws. And then put it in the tire. Screw them bad boys back on that line.
Bad boys back.
What's that?
That was probably you punching me off.
Probably just some of your sleep, you know?
That was a good fight. Who wants to fight
Where's my
next?
baby?
Yo, facts. I'm telling you. Yo, I will burn a whole house down for a spider. I promise. Because I don't like bugs. I hate bugs.
Who's gonna fight?
But let a spider come next to my baby. I'm a two-piece. I will burn that bitch for the life. I don't know. I will fight a
That was tender here. Ow, my ankle, my ankle. You broke my ankles. Yeah. But,
You and your
You don't even know the mom.
You are a nice Christian lady.
The Bubba's cover, but no.
Not with my baby.
I'm scared.
oh, slam ground.
Is that throughout?
You pay. Oh. Come on, guys. It's good. Hold on, I'm gonna bust my. Skip the part of the video here,
damn.
please.
Drivers, COVID.
I want to bust my. I don't think I have a melon thread, but I don't think I have
That's
a
messed up, yo. Oh my god.
I like it. Now let's get.
The one you didn't even record.
I did. For a good strong 10 seconds. That was progress. I'm sorry.
Progress.
Yes.
That's the funniest joke you said.
I wish I could mute your dad while you were running. Just breathe, buddy. That's it, buddy. Breathe. Shut the fuck
Miss
up.
Circle.
He knows how to breathe. What the hell?
Miss Circle. Come on, guys, it's safe.
You doing twos?
Huh?
How much time we gotta be there?
The meat starts at 10.
You probably fucking great that too. Continue.
Miss Circle.
Probably got something
Yeah.
that day.
Yeah. I'm trying to make my best girl. Yeah. Yeah.
Earlier last time.
Yeah. Can you voice over this one,
Baby.
please? Okay. I don't know how to make a.
Right, so
voice.
schedule usually out the day prior.
Actually, go here.
Not all the time.
Miss Circle.
Are you gonna tell me? Maybe get the schedule up. You gotta get mine.
Oh my God, you have
Because that way,
pencil
remember, it's a tribe coming.
markers.
Me, Genesis, Glady, Tata, Charlie, Dixie.
Whole, the
WWE
whole,
fight. Oh, yeah.
Have you been to that school before? Oh, okay, so
Ooh. What?
I could sit outside like I did on the
It's close, let's go. Who am I gonna fight? Me.
Why?
It's mom, no.
What do you mean? I got
Me.
what people said. I'm talking about us. Genesis, Roddy, Mommy.
Oh, cool.
Roddy, Mommy, me, Jen.
Oh, wow.
Tata.
Thanks, but you're gonna die.
I didn't probably work. It's probably not coming. Alright, that's it. Oh, maybe I can't say hey, but that weakness is I'm
Hold on. Can you skip the video here, please? I want you to. I want you to skip the video here. Can you skip the video here? If you can, thank you, because that'll be the best. Okay. Where do you go? I can teleport. Where did you go? Ow! What? Ow!
Hey, did you and your dad like those Nutella cookies?
What? To say?
Yeah.
What are you gonna say, bro?